Hello everybody and welcome to George the Outdoors camping video. Today we got our first video here. I'm going to be doing the tent. It's going to be two different videos. I'm going to be doing overnight and we're going to be doing the tent. And let's get started. Here's the tent. Got it from Runnings. It's a 3-person tent, but I'm going to see how bad or how good this is going to be. Never opened it up before, so it's tonight's the first night. Set up the fire pit in a little bit. Be for later though. Let's see what we got. We got a box. Okay. Things in the box. Oh, I dropped the card. Oh no. I dropped the card. Okay guys, so simple stuff. Nothing that exciting. You must set up your tent prior to taking a trip. You should reseal the fabric and seams, although the tent fabric was initially coated at the mill. Okay, well, I guess we're not going to be doing that now, are we? I ain't got no coating. So as of right now, I'm a little off the camera. Got a little workbench here. Get this tape off. Watch, this tape's going to take like half an hour just to get undone. Come on, you tricky son of a gun. That's the sound of progress, my friends. There's the canvas. There's the poles. So this is what comes in the box. So, your typical tent. Neat. So wrap it up. Gonna put that in the wagon for now. Then everything should be in here. We should lay it out. So let's I guess right here should be okay. Got our stakes, our night cover. Well, you know, we're gonna need those stakes in a few seconds here. Well, for the most part, I guess. This is going to be my tent. I see a door right there. I think I'm going to drag it back this way. So that's how I want it. Make sure there's no... Yeah. I'll go too much further that way. We're going to come back this way. In a little nice hole. Alright, so that looks pretty simple. Let's follow the directions. Little instruction booklet. Okay, this looks pretty simple. So the tent's all laid out. The next step is to connect all the poles. So that would be this bag of badness. Get this open, guys. Let me move on to the next step. There we are, that should open that. It only comes with 2 poles apparently. Rubber banded. Alright, very nice. So step 2 is to take them. only one pole. How does this work? So I got a bunch of poles here, and they're not separating in my hand. I'm assuming they're all gonna go together. Let's just drop them. There we are. Better. So I'm gonna assume they're both the same. I don't know. Let me look real fast. So step 2 would be to connect all the poles. So they look all curvy, but it wants us to have us straight in there. So one right there, and then one right there. So let's get that set up. So oh, this is it right here. That's gonna go to the next side. It's gonna be this one going this way. That can cut up on anything. Yeah. Come on, you. I know you want to go through. It's all going to come up. Alright. So then, assuming, I'm going to take these, and then they're just going to go clickety-click to here. So we're going to wait, put the other one in. Now we're going to connect our other pole. It's still good. So far I like the tent. It's the first tent I had in a while. They nearly hit the camera. How nice! So this pole is going to go the other way, as you guys guess. In there. Ooh, maybe a little bit of dirt in there. We don't want dirt. That's not ideal. Oh, get cut up. All right. Let's figure out what we're doing, guys. So they Velcro in too. Apparently there's a tie that's gonna tie those little guys together, but that's not until later. So as of right now, it looks like we are on step 4, which is insert the pin and rings attached on the corners into the tent to open the metal for a roll at the end of the pole assembly. So we're going to repeat the stage here, and it should lift up. So we should do it, guys. Oh, don't come on down. Oh, that's nasty, little bugger. Now, how much can these things bend? I don't know. This is going to bring the tent up. Nice. I don't have any more. If this breaks, I don't know how to set up a tent properly. That was pretty forceful. That's all I'm going to say. Part of it. As soon as I do this last one, the tent's going to come up. I would imagine. Let's feed it back through. And the rain's there. And once I feed her back through. Oh, trying to run away. That is it. This should collapse. Was I supposed to fasten it to the fence? I thought not. Beautiful. Come on. Try it again. Yes. Beautiful. There's one. Yeah. There's two. There's three. Then sun should fix itself. There he's out now. Here we are. That's it. There we go. Into a tent. Now, next thing we need to do is the ground stakes. And look at that, we're doing beautiful. I think I want to turn it a little bit. Beautiful. They gave me a little mat. So I'm gonna undo this. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. Yeah, look at that beautifulness. Move me a little closer, huh? Oh, actually, you guys can see it pretty well. All right, so simple things. Gotta tie the tent down. Looks pretty nice though. Take my shoes off. Sandals, I guess. Looks like I'm gonna stick. Feels alright. And this. Simple what you do on this, I guess. I don't think it's gonna get any extreme weather, guys. I do believe we are just about done here. Only thing I can do now is set the stakes. And I think I can do that with my hands. Now the question is, does it give us only 4 stakes or does it give us more? Well, if it's a good tent, it's going to give us a few extra. It's probably just going to give us what we need, to be honest. Yep, exactly 4. Kind of what I thought, but whatever. My sandals back on, at least. Am I going to be able to lay down fully in this? I think I'm going to have to lay down sideways, maybe? There's one. There's two. Three. Not four. Not yet. Yes. Nice. Here we have it. Now, we could set up the rain trap on here, but since it's going to be such a lovely night, I don't think it's really necessary. Better question is, how does it feel? A little small, okay. Oh yeah, beautiful. Close this at night. I'm afraid, whatever. Beautiful. Ta-da! That is a 100% functional tent, and tonight we will be sleeping in it. So guys, not bad. I haven't set up a tent in a while. What do you think? Costed roughly, I want to say $34 at Reddings, which, long story about that, but see what happens. But here it is, just for reference. Where is the rain flyer? This little. It's gonna rain out. You just take this. Oh, nice. And I'm gonna lay it over. Have to lay it over. And then basically just stick it into the Velcro, it looks like. And once you get the other ends on there, it's going to pull it. So, at least going to cover this completely. This goes here. And that's it with the Rainfly. A little demonstration. I hope you guys enjoy this. And I hope you all have an awesome day. We'll be back out here later tonight. Look forward for that video. And on that note, guys, like usual, peace.